Welcome! Today I'll guide you step by step on how to turn on app icon badges specifically for Spotlight Snaps on Snapchat with the updated settings process. This feature is handy as it lets you see notification badges right on your Snapchat app icon, so you never miss any Spotlight activity. First, unlock your phone and head over to your phone settings. This is where you control app permissions and notifications. Once inside settings, look for the section labeled Apps and tap on it. This will show you a list of all installed applications on your device. Scroll through or search the list until you find Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat to open its app-specific settings. Next, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see all the notification options available for Snapchat. Now find and tap on Notification Categories. This breaks down Snapchat notifications into specific types. Look under the Public Content category and tap on Spotlight Snaps. This is the category responsible for notifications about Spotlight posts. Finally, you'll see an option called App Icon Badges. Toggle this option on. When enabled, your Snapchat icon on the home screen will display a badge whenever you receive new Spotlight Snaps notifications. That's all. After activating App Icon Badges for Spotlight Snaps, you'll have a quick visual alert on your phone's home screen. This simple tweak helps you stay on top of all important Spotlight updates without opening the app constantly. Remember, if you don't see these exact settings, make sure your phone's system and Snapchat app are updated to the latest version, as interface layouts and options can vary slightly depending on updates. Enjoy staying connected with Spotlight Snaps more conveniently than ever.